Here we're looking at the techniques for taking dents out of vehicles, out of panels. The old school used to be what they called the dent puller. They would take a screw and screw it in the side of your panel, and they would bang out the panel, leaving many, many holes in the side of the panel being repaired, which of course could cause corrosion. This is one of the newer inventions that's come out in the last 10 years. It's an eagle claw stud welder, and it welds a little stud onto the panel, and using the same kind of device, you can pull the dent out and shape it. The process is called metal finishing, and you don't just throw a bunch of Bondo on a panel. You want to shape the panel back as close as you can get to the original contour. That's what he's doing here, and he's pulling the panel out. He's bringing the damage out. Once that's done, you'll have a surface with a lot of ripples in it. You'll take a hammer and dolly and you'll shape as much of those ripples as you can, and now you put a very fine layer of metal filler, Bondo if you will, across that panel, and then you're going to sand it down with a longboard file. You're going to shape it, you're going to do some finer sandpaper, you're going to prime it, and then it's ready for the paint department.